Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to merge cells in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is how exactly or where exactly can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and launch your Microsoft Store and search for Excel and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the application. Now, after downloading the application, your account is going to be created automatically, provided that you have signed in to your Microsoft account. Once that has been created, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to merge cells in Excel. Now you would like to click on the cells that you want to merge. I'm going to highlight this one right here, D4 and E4. So I'm going to move my cursor to this cell and I'm going to hold down the left button of my mouse and click on E. So I'm clicking this and I'm stretching that to E. So as you can see, these cells are unmerged. So if I want to merge it, I'm going to have to check the top corner of my screen here where I have file, home, insert, drawer, page layout, formulas, and the rest. So just move your cursor to home and set it to home, and just right under home, head over to the alignment category. Just right on top of it, you're going to find merge and center. Go ahead and click on merge and center, and once you do that, you see that these cells have been merged and you no longer see that line in between. It has been merged, and now you can now type in whatever you want to type in from here. Let's say Jonathan, and that line doesn't seem to fit in anymore because this has been successfully merged. So I'm going to show you another way to go about that. Okay, the second way to go about that is to actually use the Alt plus H plus M. Okay, so you can go over Alt H and it takes you here and just click M. All right, and then it takes you to this merge and center. So you're gonna have to click C. All right, so of course that's going to work after you've highlighted the cells that you want to merge. So let's say I have clicked on this and so I highlighted them. So Alt H and M and C. That's it. Okay, the other method, this is actually the second method. The other method to use is to actually format the cell. So let's say I have selected this cell and let's say this cell, and I just right click and click on format cells. So it's going to take me here. I'm heading over to the alignment tab. So click on alignment, and in this space you're going to have to select how you want to merge the cell. Okay, so just go ahead and click on text control and click on merge cells, and once you click on merge cells, the next thing that you like to do is to click on okay. So see, merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. So click on OK, and you see that the entire row has been merged. So that's it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.